Hello, friends, and welcome back. Antam Bai. Ari chungai thateu. Atui melem. Okay, so today we're going to prepare a Mizo dish called Antam Bai. Let me show you how to prepare this dish, and I assure you, you'll be licking your fingers after trying this. Okay, may na kan siam turtu Antam Bai niya mamote ilaw enang. And what do we have here? Fresh mustard greens. I've got about 300 grams of mustard greens here. This is called antram in Mizo. And hitayan antram hi grams athum vel ka ni. Bufai thirfian thum kalaa. 3 tablespoons of raw rice. 4 fresh red chilies. Marchapui hi arong sen kalaa. Sauteing hi in chik chanve ang tia vel kan laa. Half-inch piece ginger. Soda bicarbonate, a little less than half a teaspoon. Salt to taste. Soda kha fiante chanve ai tlem de uhle kan la nga chi kha kan do to kang zat vel nia nga. Butter tlem kan mamole a and 1 teaspoon of butter. Tui ka ti so phata heta hian bu fai kha sil fai sa ka zuk thak don ani. Tui khali char chanve vel ka manga. I boiled about half a liter of water here. To that, I washed and I added the rice. Give it a mix, and to that, I'll be adding the soda bicarbonate, a little less than half a teaspoon. Soda akha fiante chanve I claim de ushit kapolani. We'll bring this to a boil and then we'll lower the flame and let the rice cook. Hey hi voi khatihan ron so chuak se chuanin kan thina nga amei hi kan her niam bokanga abu hi amin thleng lo nga kang. This has been boiling for the past 10 minutes and let's check the rice. Okay, this is cooked now. Minute somvel tihan kan lo chum char chara amin to a marcha le so thing hi katha kani. I added the chilies and the ginger pieces. Mix it up properly. You'll have to continuously stir this because we have added soda here and it will just overflow if you don't attend to it. So you have to be attentive. Hey, he will ya. Okay. Tihanin antram hi ka try bung pok moka kapolani. I'm just adding the mustard leaves. We're just breaking it and adding it. Salt according to your taste. Chika in pollenga. Kaka ne devin vil minani to mai. This will take another 5 to 7 minutes to cook. Minute nga changa minute sari vel bak chuan ri ngai lo ni. So thing hi in pol ngai em ka shelava ke ni chan kan pol thina kanau ti dan nya hi. So thing tel kha na tui do bik riawin ka sia in la tel ngai lo ni chuan lo ti ve chin ro. Ti hianin cho char char ni mai. Bai hi chu vil ngu na nga ya an ti kha. You need to continuously keep stirring this. Ole amin to chu ni maya achi hi kan temange. Let me just check the salt. Perfect. So our bai is ready. I'll just add the butter now. Atui lutuk. Tihan kan bai po kan lo siam peita a butter hi kan polange. sa ka nei lo wangin butter ka tela butter in nei lo chuan refined oil point tel thei ni. As you can see, I have added the butter here, about 1 teaspoon. If you don't have butter, you can replace it with refined oil. So the Antam Bai is ready now. We can turn off the gas. Kan Antam Bai po tihianin alo minta gas ka her lumto ka offa. Arong hi ashing nalanya han ente u. Atui melin tiem. This really tastes awesome, friends. You must try this dish. Ole, tikanin kan siam zo to buena ka siam hi try in tm. In ngai dante comment section na in ron soidonia. Thank you all so much for watching. Clear tu zong zong chunga lom tu kan ron soye. Bye bye.